In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export a very specific clip in CapCut. So in this video, we've got some waves crashing against the rocks. We've also got a drone shot of London via Google Earth. Now, let's say we wanted to export a very specific clip. Let's say we wanted to export only this part where the drone shot of London shows. So how would we do that? So first you need to move your cursor to the start of the clip that you want to export, or the start of the section. Once you've done that and your cursor is on the start, click I on your keyboard. Now when you click I, the letter I, it will then select an in point, and you can then move this cursor to the end of the clip and click O, and that's going to select an out point. Now if you look at the top here, and you may not be able to see this 100% on video, but you've got an in point and an out point, and you should then be able to move these around and you can see it more clearly now. So we've essentially put an in and out point, and with this selected, and as you can see, look, it's only selected this London clip. With this selected, we can go export, and now it should only export what is in and out of our selection. So let's just try it. I will export this right now, and you can see it looks like this has worked. So here we are in the downloads folder where it exported. Let's see. So there you go. You need to just mark in and out on your CapCut timeline, and then you can export whatever is in between. That's how you do it. I hope that helped.